Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're gonna download and install two more plugins which is gonna make our IDE even more efficient. So in order to download plugin in PyCharm, we click over here that says file and select settings, and you're gonna see a dialog box like that. Then we are gonna click over here that say plugins and then marketplace. And the first plugin that I would like to download is called Rainbow Brackets, and this is the plugin I was referring to. So I'm gonna click on install, and it's done installing, considering the fact that it is a small package. And now I'm gonna install another plugin called String Manipulation, and the first one I was referring to. So I'm just gonna click on install, and it's gonna ask me to restart my IDE, which I'm gonna do now. And I'm gonna restart. So I have restarted my IDE PyCharm. So I'm gonna show you what Rainbow Bracket does. So you might have guessed by the name of the plugin itself that it is gonna add colors to your brackets. So if I simply bring in a parenthesis, then it has a color. Then if I get inside and bring in parentheses again, then you'll see that it has a different color. This is what it does. So it's gonna use different color codes for your brackets. And now if I bring in curly brace, even though curly brace has no use in Python, but it's still, and bracket, and as you can see that bracket has colors as well, parentheses, and this is exactly what it does. Nested brackets will have different colors. It's gonna look good in your eyes, and that's the whole purpose. And the next plugin, in order to demonstrate next plugin, I need to have a variable and set a value like if I type Python is a powerful language, as you can see that they all are lowercase, and we can manipulate the way they appear over here. So now if I select the entire string value, right click, and then select string manipulation. By the way, after installing the plugin called string manipulation, we now have an additional option on our flyout menu called, well, string manipulation. So right click, select string manipulation, and you're gonna have a flyout menu. Then you select, you hover over where it says switch case, and then if I select to uppercase, then you'll see that our string value has transformed from being lowercase to all uppercase. Now we can repeat the process and play around with the plugin and see what's available for us to work with. So once again, I'm going to select string manipulation, switch case, and now if I select camel case, then you'll see that now my string value has changed from being all capital to camel casing. So this is the whole purpose of this plugin, and this is what it does. I'm not gonna go over all the options that are available for this plugin because it's very self-explanatory and easy. What I would recommend that you play around with this plugin and see what it does to your string. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap this up. I hope this has been informative, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks, bye.